Hello traders, which way do you think this trade is going? Is it going to go further to the upside or to the downside? And when should we be entering it? At which technical level should we be entering it? This and more on this video. Hello traders, welcome to our live trading session video today, and thank you for joining the Master the Markets team and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Thiru Narapan here, founder of Master the Markets, Illiterates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on this 1 hour chart on cable, and we're actually correlating that with the daily time frame. And then if I just move this over here, you can see that this is also a 4 hour time frame. So what we are having is a downtrend on the daily, as indicated by our smart money indicator bespoke to all our clients over here. And on the 4 hour, on the other hand, we are actually having an uptrend. But remember that even in the downtrend, we need to look at whether we are on a top to bottom move, a phase 1 or phase 2. All these terminologies we cover in Trader Starter Pack. And in terms of the 4 hour, the same thing again. Is it a top to bottom move or a bottom to top move in the uptrend, phase 1 or phase 2? In here, in the downtrend, this is top to bottom, so it's towards a downward move. And in the uptrend over here on the 4 hour, what we are really having over here is that it's having a phase 2 move, a little bit of a bounce over here, but the bottom is not being confirmed. Okay.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Now we come on to the 1 hour. Usually the way we look at this is that we compare both the time frames and we look at the range of the bar today forming, okay, in real time. We can see that that's still a small range. It's not achieved its average range yet. Average ranges of yesterday is 83 pips, but the range of this bar is only 38, so there's still move left for us to capture. So when I come on to the 1 hour time frame, all I'm looking over here is which way is the higher probability for it to form its range. As of today, it's taken out its lowest stretch, okay, and therefore its probability is highly probable towards the downside. If you're not sure of any of these terminologies, please go to our YouTube channel and look at the playlist over there that we have formed for the live trading series, where we go through all these terminologies with you on how we are looking at this. Now, the next question is, once I've got my direction, is where do I enter it? At which technical level? We look at price patterns. The price pattern that we are looking at over here is what we call a primary, and that's the place where we are entering in there as well. For those of you who are getting a bit overwhelmed with all these terminologies and how to look at it, highly recommend the Trader Starter Pack video series, a 5-part video series, over 12 years of cumulative trading research, and also content taught by institutional quant traders. Okay, right, so that's what I'll be looking at for this blue line to be taken out over here. Entry level, stop loss for going to be here, target going to be for the range. So in relation to the 4 hour, I'm just looking for the uptrend over here to continue and to take out this low here and to go further down. Okay, that's what we are looking at. Alright traders, I guess that's that. I will pause this video and we'll see how this carries on into the next 1 hour. Okay, hello traders, as you can see, we have been triggered into the trade. Now let's take a look at this. So what actually happened? As you can see, we kind of placed the trade as of this bar over here, and on the entry level where the blue line is, and that's what our price is matching to 13109 at the low of the bar due to the price pattern recognition that we just discussed about. After that, as you can see then traders,
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, Watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Then the bar after that didn't trigger us in and went further up. But our pattern was not still violated, was not still invalid yet. So we kept the order, as you can see. And then the next bar, if you see, was a big low test bar, as they call it. It tested the low and it came back all the way up and closed above. But that is the bar that went through the blue line and triggered us into the trade. So we were in quite a bit of unrealized loss. Okay, and we've talked about what is the difference between a realized loss and unrealized loss before. As you can see, then from this blue line it just bounced all the way back up, and the unrealized loss at that point was 24 pips, just 240 pips of unrealized loss. Okay, then after this bar, that what we then are getting is the bar at the moment, is what you're seeing as of now, is come back all the way further down, and our loss at the moment has reduced. But we're still not in profit yet, unrealized profit yet. How long should we hold on this trade? Probably just for another 1 hour, 2 hours maximum, because usually it should hit the target by 10. If it does not, it just means that it's a very small insider bar as of today. Okay, so we'll see how this trade progresses along, and then we'll take the necessary next steps to manage this trade or to exit the trade. Okay, so I will pause the video here and then we'll see how that comes along. Alright traders, so now you can see that the trade has progressed. Now this was the bar that triggered us into this blue line, and after that what we did get is that we had this next bar over here, which is this green bar here, then had taken out our trailing stop loss. Now we were not able to trail that much because our initial stop loss was in here, and then we just trailed it to just this spot here, which is the high of this bar, which is not really that much. Okay, so overall in this trade we did take a hit of about £340. But remember traders that you always have to assess as professionals not to be demotivated by every losing trade that you're taking. Okay, as long as you believe that your system has got an edge, you keep taking the trades for the numbers to prove itself and for the winners to override the losses. Okay, now the last thing I want to tell you before we wrap up this video is good versus bad trades. Okay, good versus bad trades. Most of the time, most traders will assume that once they have a loss, a losing trade, they would easily consider it a bad trade. Okay, but I wouldn't want you guys to think like that. What you need to really assess is, did you execute this trade according to your plan, according to your system, according to your parameters? And do you still believe in the edge of your strategy? Okay, intellectually, are you convinced that if you keep applying the same parameters over 100 trades, you can still become a winner? Okay, so that's what you should be asking yourself. And if you did that according to your parameters and your plan, then this is actually a good trade, even if it had lost. Okay, because remember, it's never about just one trade. Okay, it is about the consequential sequence of trades, of the number of trades that you are placing, and eventually whether they're ending up in a net profit or loss. All right, that's all I wanted to impart for you guys. So far the strategy has been doing all right. Today this one was a loss, but so far it has got its profits. We'll be doing another video as well in terms of the net profit and loss for Q1, in terms of an intraday strategy, in terms of an end of day strategy as well. Remember, what I want you all to take out from here is the concepts over here, the principles that you can apply to any other strategy or any other instrument. Over here we're giving you a very simple strategy and example as a financial education perspective, just on GBUSD on a multi-time frame basis, taking it all on the 1 hour time frame. Alright, and if you got any other questions at all, drop it down into the comment box, or what are the topics you want us to cover, or what are the questions you may have as well. And on the other perspective, do definitely take a look at our Trader Starter Pack video series, which has got over 12 years of cumulative research compiled into it, and also content from institutional quant traders. Alright, that's pretty much that from me on this video. And as we always say, traders, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.